Hey guys, so here's a quick example of how tiles is played, and unfortunately I have to play it by myself. But as you can see, we've got 3x2 grid here of 6. I've got bottle caps. So the first player, I'm going to simulate 3 players. 3. The first player is going to make a move like this. Simple, basic opening move. Now remember, tiles is all about BSing everybody and just making up random moves. So I think that's a pretty good opening move. Now player 2 is going to go like this. Hey, watch this. Jump. Jump. And guess what? I take a king, and I'm going to put your king over here. That's a legit second move. Now the third guy's going to say, look, I see a little dipper here. But I'm going to go ahead and move this up, and in the same move, pull the Russian reversal. And now, this is where it gets interesting. It's back to player 1, who's going to say, well, I'm going to take this right here and move it here, and completely exile player 2 from the game, because if player 2 brings these two back in, I'm going to call him out. Player 2 is going to move both pieces back in and say, I'm going to move them right back in and reset the game. Now a tribunal is going to happen because player 1 has said he's going to call him out. Player 2 has said, I'm going to move him back in and reset the game. The tribunal in this case says, yes, the game can be reset. No, the player, or it could be said, I'm sorry. Yes, player 2 is out, or no, player 1 is wrong and player 2 will stay in. In this case, we're going to say player 1 is wrong and player 2 stays in the game. So basically tiles would go back and forth and people would contradict each other until one person loses. Two people lose in this case, and one person would win. That is tiles.